Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you are fine guys. Today I will discuss with you active transport. What is active transport in bio? Let's start guys. एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट या गाइस आप देख रहे हैं कि आपके सामने एक डिस्प्ले शो हो रहा है जो कि आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या है. इन एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ in biocellular, active transport is the movement of molecules or ions across a cell membrane from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration against the concentration gradient. Active transport requires cellular energy to achieve this movement. Active transport is usually associated with accumulating high concentration of molecules that the cell needs, such as iron, glucose, and amino acid. Example of active transport includes the uptake of glucose in the intestines in humans and the uptake of mineral ions into root hair cells of plants. Active transport involves molecules moving against a gradient or other form of resistance, such as from an area of lower to higher charge. Active transport is used by cells to accumulate needed molecules such as glucose and amino acid. What is ATP in active transport? Active transport mechanisms require the use of the cell's energy, usually in the form of adenosine triphosphate (ATP). Active transport use energy to transport molecules across the plasma membrane. This use energy from ATP. They also use pumps to get molecules in or out of the cell. Passive transport does not use energy to transport molecules across the membrane. Active transport is called active because this type of transport requires energy to move molecules. ATP is the most common source of energy for active transport. Why is ATP required for active transport? To move substance against a concentration or electrochemical gradient, a cell must use energy. Active transport mechanisms do just this, expending energy, often in the form of ATP, to maintain the right concentration of ions and molecules in living cells. What is the role of active transport? The main function of active transport is to pump molecules and ions across membranes against their concentration gradients. Role of active transport is the main function of active transport is also included in this. Active transport is an energy required process that can transfer substance into, out of, and between cells. It moves substance from a low concentration to a region of higher concentration. Osmosis and active transpiration is form of passive transpiration when water moves from low concentration to high concentration. It is cellular for cell survey and repair nutrient absorbed by the cell. It is key for the extraction of toxin and signal transduction. It is also involved in the transfer of ions, nutrients, vitamins, and osmolality in higher organisms. This paragraph is very important. It is the importance of active transport. I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much for watch this video guys.